When storms of bills come, and this bill come meet that bill, and this bill on top of this bill, rebuke it. Sometimes it's a spirit driving these bills. Talk to your light bill. Tell your neighbor, talk to your water bill. Talk to your phone bill. Talk to your light bill. I feel God. I know other folks are going to think you're strange because you talk to your bill. But sometimes you have to look for your light bill and say, hey, you. Last month you was 8,000, now this month you are 15. In the name of Jesus, I command you to cease and settle. Go back to the original cost when we was accustomed to. I rebuke this extra 7,000 in the name that is above every name. I chop you loose from every spirit. I fly up, and up it. I cancel that. Touch 3 person, tell them, talk to your building.